Namaskar, Namaskaram. This is my humble presentation in a brief session uh, in astrology. These are my observations and interpretations about the celestial combination of planets now currently in transit. I should offer my pranams to Pujya Shri B.V. Ramanji, a humble and an unassuming man for all the knowledge he possessed. And also he was known as the father of astrology, who had helped in fixing the best possible muhurta for India, which is celebrated as the Indian Independence Day on 15th August 1947. Since then, we have been celebrating Independence Day on that day. And also, he was very, very well known for his prediction about the World War II. Before it could take place, years before it could take place. So there have been some combinations that he was talking about, mentioning about, and those combinations are occurring now, but in a different zodiac signs. Let us see how the observations will work out. We are witness to the disturbed state of the world like never before, raging on and off in different parts of the globe. We are witness to all that now. The present situation is so fluid. I have observed, I calculated certain, I have observed some planets coming together and being in the same degree, same zodiac sign at the same time on a certain date. And it happens to be on the 23rd July in about 13 days' time, 2025. IST, Indian Standard Time, 3:32 a.m. exactly, when Mars, that is Kuja, Chevvai, Mangal, and Ketu, the southern node, or the dragon's tail, as we call it, meet on the same degrees, very same degrees in Leo, Simha, the zodiac owned by Sun. The Sun owns the zodiac, and Sun signifies the king among planets. And in today's modern times, it also means the heads of the states or countries. That is, the sun signifies authority, the people holding positions, which gives them the power or the authority to decide which way the country is going to go forward. Right? When these two planets are conjunct or co-tenant in the same zodiac, that is Leo, sun sign, in the same degrees, it is known as a Graha Yuddha. This is Mangal and this is Ketu, and both are standing in the same degree in the same zodiac sign of Leo. Therefore, when two people clash, come very close, it is called a warlike, it'll create a warlike situation. And it's also, the planets are no different from us humans or creatures. So it's called as Graha Yuddha. Graha is planet in Hindi or Sanskrit. Yuddha is war. So it is a war among two planets. Both are malefics. And let us not forget, Leo zodiac sign is a fiery sign. Tattva, that is the property of that sign, is fire. During such times, when these two planets, which are also fire in nature and malefic in nature, they combine together at a certain time, that is 3:32 a.m., 23rd July 2025, IST, Indian Standard Time, then there could be sudden events which are likely to occur for us to witness. Usually, I always don't pinpoint the same day or time, but also leave a buffer zone like 2-3 days before and 2-3 days after such conjunction or co-tenanting or coming together. The Graha Yuddha can occur even slightly before these dates or after these dates or on the date. So when we talk about that buffer zone, a broader window appears to be from starting from 20th July to 25th or even 26th July 2025, where we may expect disturbances in some regions across the globe. This is Graha Yuddha or planetary war occurring in Leo or Simha, which already has been mentioned. This sign, like I said, its tattva or property or signification is fire. It is a fiery sign, and also it has some properties like what are the regions where we can expect this to happen. This Leo Simha signifies forests, mountainous regions, hilly region. This planetary combination, that apart, that is zodiac, we are talking about zodiac. Now we are coming to the planetary combination, which is occurring in the sign of Leo. These planetary combination indicates power grids, that is electrical equipments of big nature, lightnings, which is a natural calamity, and calamities which can both be natural or man-made in nature. Sabotages to electricity grids can happen due to man-made or natural causes. And these regions can be close to uh, fairly big water sources, probably like dams producing hydroelectricity, which are usually typically in a valley region where the river flows, and there the dams are constructed and electricity produced through human interferences. So these are the regions and observations. And also, this is the direction, the region, and the direction in which it could probably occur is southeast regions, southeast direction of a region, and of any region, a mountainous, hilly region, forest area, and heads of the states also are at risk in some ways. They also need to take care about their safety aspects and things like that. This is astrological observations, and these are interpretations as per the planetary combinations through the horoscope of the day in which the two planets are meeting together. So this is purely astrology interpretations. Thank you for listening to me, and may God bless us. We should be safe and protected and blessed by the divine. Natural occurrences we cannot stop, but we can take care about ourselves, our safety, our security. Thank you again. Om Tat Sat.